Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today we finally will take a look at the daily at the euro currency, because while the euro and the Great British Pound has started to break on the way down and press the brakes, starting to form some retracements, and that could lead to appearing of short-term patterns, especially at the eve of the release of the statement by the FOMC. So some investors, although a major part of the investors and analysts expect that the rhetoric of the Fed Reserve will remain the same, but some of them think that some new dovish tones could appear in the statement, because the growing strength of the US dollar already has led to drop in the profits of international United States companies such as the Caterpillar, Microsoft, some others. So if you are tracking the financial results of the companies for fourth quarter of the previous year, so you probably know about this. So Microsoft has dropped yesterday for the 10%. Some analysts start to worry that the too strong US dollar will hit and will depress the profits of the international United States companies in the future, and that could lead to the slowing of the growth United States. So yes, there also was data release on orders for durable orders that usually is an indication of consumption on investment projects of the companies in the United States, and these numbers also has dropped for the fourth period in a row. So that is also not very good sign. But in analysis start to tell that right now the pace is slowing, at least on the positive data that we have seen previously from the United States economy. Currently, nobody could tell whether this is just some temporal slowdown, or that is really United States start to feel the impact of the growing dollar. So anyway, the optimism of the investors was chilled out a bit, and we see what Fed will say, whether we will get some dovish comments, more dovish tones in the statement or not. If we will get, then probably we will see a significant retracement on dollar-related currencies, especially on the euro currency and the Great British Pound. And recall what we have said in our weekly research, that market stands right now at rock hard support on the monthly chart, and it just should to show some response, should to show some respect of the support area by some retracement, on the euro currency. And right now market is doing an attempt to show it, but currently it hasn't led yet to appearing of some clearer pattern. Since this support stands on the monthly chart, it's logical to expect some extended pattern on the daily, at least some pattern that could trigger some more or less visible retracement on the daily chart. And maybe this could lead to appearing of some big butterfly or head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort, but it could start it from appearing, for example, some retracement. Maybe it could start from appearing of the double repo. When you expect some significant retracement, it's logical to expect appearing of the double repo rather than Brent body, because Brent body is more short-term setup. It just usually should be treated as the continuation pattern, while double repo pattern seems more logical at the significant support, because particular double repo could trigger the deeper retracement, some more significant retracement. That's what we particularly would like to see here on the euro currency and on the British pound. Right now we see that market move above the weekly pivot point. It hasn't crossed the 3x3 yet, and but the potential of the current week probably will be limited with this area. So we have hinted on this in the research, because this is the fib level 1659. It's the first fib resistance of the most recent thrust. That's in fact will be the background for the double repo. But at the same time, right here at the 1550 area, we have the weekly pivot resistance one, and take a look daily overbought. So market theoretically could pierce this level and hit this fib resistance by some shadow, but hardly it will pass through it significantly, because that will be really significant resistance. So that's probably will be the sale for today, for current week. Hardly it will move higher. On the hourly chart, we do not see anything special. What we see is that market turns to some sideways, some upper channel. Action is very gradual. We do not see any acceleration. So currently it's very difficult to say that some sort of the reversal, and this seems in general obvious, because investors just wait what Fed will say, and logical to expect any acceleration either up or down after it will happen. At the same time, take a look at the technical picture. We see that market has completed this A, B, C bottom, D patterns. You can see pips to pips. Market has completed it, and now stands in some ABCD retracement down. Now it's starting moving up again. What is interesting is that 1618 extension target here from this ABCD coincides with this area, weekly pivot resistance one and daily overbought. So probably if market will continue to move higher, it probably will reach this area. What we would like to get here, I don't know whether you will trade something on intraday charts, but here, guys, to be honest, I do not see any patterns yet for trading. But what we are mostly interested in is the pattern on daily. So I prefer to get double repo pattern. If we will get it, that will be just perfect. Maybe it will take shape of the butterfly on the lower time frame charts, for example. That could be, say, start some part of the left wing, maybe market will start to form right wing as the second part of the double repo or something. So we would like to get pattern, and right now all conditions for appearing of this pattern have been created already. So market has formed nicely looking thrust down. Market stands right now at the strong support. So we have the tool that could lead for appearing of the Judd Napoli pattern. Right now we just need to wait whether this pattern will materialize on the euro currency or not. And it seems, guys, that euro currency and the Great British Pound are starting to become again interesting on the daily charts. If you take a look, for example, at the Great British Pound, it also has formed a pattern. Why I think that the chances on the appearing pattern here on the euro currency also exist. So if you take a look at the daily, or better on the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see the market has formed a butterfly. Okay, after the strong move down, and turns to the upside right now, so it starts to form some kind of the patterns that could lead some retracement, or again meaningful upside action, or even to appearing of some greater patterns on the weekly chart. For example, this butterfly could shift to the head and shoulders, and that will be a continuation to the upside. That's also possible. So as you can see, Great British Pound, euro currency now is becoming interesting again, and we probably will continue to watch for these patterns. But right now, it's not time has come yet to do something on the euro currency. Probably we need to wait for statement from the Fed, and then we will see whether it will lead to appearing of some pattern. We also can't exclude that the comments from the Fed will be really surprising. For example, some dovish comments, we really could get the double bread and butter here. So if market will accelerate right to the 0 or even high to the 50%, it's also possible we could get the double the bread and butter sell. Well, that's our current expectation, current view on the euro currency.